check out our newest feature release. This one is on Google Booking Redirect. So if you're curious, what is Google Booking Redirect? Well, I'm going to let you guys know. So this new feature allows you to redirect bookings directly from Google My Business listings for industries like beauty, wellness, fitness, home services, vehicle care, education, and any other professional service where you can take bookings directly from Google. Why this matters and how it's going to help you and your business. This is going to allow customers to discover and book services directly from your Google My Business page listing. This feature is tailored for professional services like beauty, wellness, fitness, home services, vehicle care, education, and again, any other service that can be booked on Google. And this is available specifically for businesses in the United States. Let me go ahead and show you exactly how to find this feature. You're going to want to click on Calendars in the left-hand navigation menu. And when that top menu opens up, you're going to click on Calendar Settings. I'd like you to go ahead now that you're in Calendar Settings and click on Connections. This is going to allow you to select that Google Booking option. From this new area, you're going to select Google Organic Booking Redirect. And you're going to go ahead and set up the calendar group. You're going to select the specific calendar group you're looking to fill. Now within that group, you're also going to specify the specific calendar service feed that you'd like to use. Now you're going to get everything verified. Just so you know, this can take a little bit of time. Google isn't always the fastest, but once it's done, it's done. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.